here.
What were you doing?
Oh, your makeup look nice. This is Jess, my sister.
Here comes the sun, I say it's alright.
Hi guys, welcome to a mini vlog. So last video I mentioned that I was having some skin problems, or I was just breaking out a lot, and then I had acne scars. I did it to myself, but still I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna treat myself to a facial. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm getting ready, and then I drove. This is my favorite place. I've been here a few times. They do really good massages too, but I just went for a facial this day. Wasn't really allowed to film in there. I mean, I asked, and it was like an iffy response. I was like, that's fine. But so I was just telling her like how I was saying that like I had a lot of blackheads. Like my nose feels so smooth right now, and then my acne scars, and then what else did I tell her? Was it acne scars? Oh, hyperpigmentation, my pores, and blackheads. So I got a glycolic facial. So this is how I think that's from the mask. This is how it looks after. This looks so red, but here's a, you can see my skin better like this because I had so many extractions on my nose. But I don't know, I bought these rollers to try this, like to blow dry my hair and then do rollers and make it look aesthetically pleasing and then do a video, but it came out like this. So maybe I should have parted my hair. So this is going in the vlog. So I want to start vlogging too, but I'm just gonna take it out maybe in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna do light makeup today. I'm going to Old Navy. I'll bring you guys there too to do some fall shopping, fall winter shopping, I guess. Okay, I changed the lighting just a little bit, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick. But yeah, since I'm going to Old Navy later, I wanna Old Navy. Well, is it slept on? I don't know, but they have a lot of good things there, and I love cozy clothes and stuff. So, but I want to see if they have like maybe like cute warm sweaters and like what else do I want? I don't really want. I think I'm good on jeans and stuff. I have a lot of jeans. I mean, I have a lot of sweaters too, but I love sweaters. So we'll see what they have. Okay, let me finish my makeup really quick, and then I will show you guys my hair. Hopefully it came out okay. All right. Okay. These rollers from, I think, Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. I don't know if should I just do the back first? And then these hair clips are from Amazon. I think I might do something else with these though, like not use the rollers and just roll it with my fingers and do that. Maybe that'll be, I feel like it'll probably come out like tight curls. I'm a little nervous. Okay. I just blow dried my hair, and I didn't put anything exactly in it, so it might be frizzy. Not the tangles. I mean, I guess it did its job. What do you guys think? I feel like I didn't really blow dry up here really well because I was like too focused on like blow drying the ends and then wrapping. I mean, it's dry, but it's not like, I'm actually gonna get curtain, well, no, these are layers. I'm gonna get curtain bangs soon, and then I'm gonna dye my hair back to like closer to my natural hair color soon. So maybe I'll take you guys on that trip. I mean, it looks cute, I guess, for my first trial. So I ended up going to Old Navy another day, just because it was raining and stuff that day, so I was not with it. But I didn't find much around the store. I did find this long sleeve, so I bought in 2 colors, and then I found these online. I wanted more brown, even though those are kind of reddish brown. I don't know, more brown sweatpants, so I bought the 2 shirts and then those pants. Oh, you think so? Are you going for a dip? So I also went to Victoria's Secret because I had a coupon, and I tried on a few things. Those pink pants I didn't end up getting because I didn't like the waist, because the waistband sometimes is like too tight and then it bothers me. These were cute, but they weren't really wowing me, so I just left them behind. And then the last one I tried on were like the flare leggings that are like in right now. But I mean I have a lot of pairs of those, but I wanted to try Pink's flare. um, and these really snatch you up, but they're a little long, so I didn't end up getting them. But I mean they looked cute. So I just ended up buying the like little boxer shorts I showed earlier, the Sherpa, and then they had like the 7 for 35 underwears. And I like buying the cotton thongs for the gym, the pink cotton thongs. And then I think, oh, and then I bought like a lotion or something. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, these are cute, but yeah, here's me showing you, those are too long, for me at least. And then we went home, I don't know, we decided to order out again, so we had sushi, well, I had the shrimp tempura roll, and then like this lobster roll, it's called like a green monster roll, it's really good. And then we're rewatching New Girl, so I put that on, just because I feel like it's a good fall show, holiday show, to watch, like in the winter show, I don't know, but it was either that or Gossip Girl, but I love New Girl, so we are rewatching that. And after we watched that movie, The Luckiest Girl Alive, that one was really good too. So yeah, this was our weekend. I hope you guys enjoy this. I will see you guys next week, sometime next week.